Hare Krishna. So let us discuss the pronunciation of the Mahā-mantra, the most important mantra that contains the most important name, Krishna. Alright, so let's start with the first word, Hare. Always remember that it is A that is long, it's not A. It's not Hare Krishna, it's Hare Krishna. Hare, Hare. Always emphasize and stretch the A. Also beware of turning that A into A. It's not Hare, it's Hare Krishna. So next, Krishna. Listen carefully how I pronounced it. Krishna, Krishna. Not Krishna and not Krishna, but Krishna. Kr, first syllable, kr. That r, it's not ri, it's actually a vowel in Sanskrit. And it is a special vowel. It is pronounced with your tongue flexing backward. So this is your tongue, and this is your upper teeth. And there is a place above your upper teeth. It's kind of bulging out slightly. It's called alveola. So this space, this place above your upper teeth, alveola, the tongue flexes backward and slightly hits that bulge, that ridge above your upper teeth. That's why you get that r, kr. Say it together with the k. Kr, 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 kr. Make that flick of the tongue backward. Curl it. Kr, kr, kr. I just found some similar ways that the same sound is actually present in English language. When we say, I think in American English, better. Can we make it better? Better. This is exactly the same movement of the tongue. Better. What's the matter? Matter. Not matter. What's the matter? Can we make it better? That's more British way. But if you say it in American way, matter, better, that r is exactly the Sanskrit sound r, Krishna. So just imagine you are saying better, matter, but just say Krishna. So now third sound, sh. So first of all we say kr, your tongue flexes backward, kr. Then your tongue stays in that flexed position, curled position, and you say sh. It's a very dry, warm sound. Krishna. So sh. You don't have equivalent in English language. In English, sh, the sound sh corresponds to Sanskrit sound sh in words like Shiva, Shambhu, Shanti, okay? So that's the sh. It's not the sh which is in Krishna. I don't say Krishna. That sh has that sharp character to it. Sh, Shiva, Shambhu, Shanti. And this one, which is in Krishna, is more dry and soft. So kr, your tongue is flexed. Don't move it from there. And while it's flexed, you say krish. Now what do we do next? We bring the tip of your tongue and slightly press it to that same alveola and say n, and your tongue shoots back to front. So kr, sh, n, n, n. You can hear the difference. If I say the normal dental n, just like with the Sanskrit sound t, you should be able to see your tongue in the mirror between your teeth, like t or n. But you can hear that the sound n is slightly different. It's more deep, n, instead of n. It's not Krishna, it's Krishna, n, Krishna. So let's exercise. Kr, flex your tongue. On the way, touch that alveola, kr. While there, you say sh, very dry, soft, calming sound. And then on the way back, press your tongue to that alveola, the tip of your tongue, and shoot it forward. N. So once more, Krishna, 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 Krishna. So this is Krishna, the highest name of the personality of Godhead. So quite some exercise for those of you who have not been exposed to these sounds before. Most of Indian languages, they include in their alphabets these sounds. These are called retroflex cerebral sounds in phonetics. So if your native language is not one of the Indian languages, you will find it's somewhat challenging to pronounce Krishna in an authentic Sanskrit way. But with this explanation that you have received in this tutorial, and don't forget the downloads that are available as well, and the additional notes are there. So with all this, if you exercise, if you practice every day, it is all possible. You can develop this authentic pronunciation quite easily. So Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. And the third name of the Mahā-mantra is Rama. And Rama, there's nothing too difficult about it. You just need to remember that Ra is long. So it's not Rama, it's Rama. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And for those of you who find it difficult to pronounce this Ra, if you are more accustomed to the Ra, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, I can advise to you to keep your tongue less curved backward, because when we say R in English, your tongue again flexes backward, just like when we say Krishna, Kr, and if you keep your tongue there, it's R, it's exactly the R sound, the R consonant. But if you keep your tongue a bit more flat and touch the alveolar a little bit more flat, yeah, so then you get that R, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So don't flex your tongue on Hare and on Rama. So you should be able to do this R sound, continuous. So this is the Mahā-mantra. I hope this explanation is useful. There's plenty of practice every day with 16 rounds. So wish you all the best with it. And let's go on and learn about other prayers and songs. Hare Krishna.